What is the name of this song?
That was yeah, on to card.
Oh yeah,
we
thank you.
That was called
Irish Washerwoman.
yeah, Irish Washerwoman. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Played a little bit too fast.
It's all right, I put it on YouTube if it's a good video.
I think I know this lady.
Yes, I think I do it before.